Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a free trial on GearUp Booster. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so before we begin, I'll give a link for a free trial in the description below. And once you've gone ahead and clicked onto it, you'll come to this page here where it will say reduce ping for all games on any device, try for free. And then click on the Get GearUp Booster, and then that's going to start downloading to your PC. It's about 60 megabytes. It'll only take a few seconds to download. Once it finishes download, go ahead and open it up. If it doesn't appear here, just go to your download section in your computer and open it. Alright, so now it's download. I'm going to click on open. And click yes. And then select your language. English, you've got other languages here. And then choose where you want to download and install it. I'm going to keep it in my program files. And then also we can create a desktop shortcut. It can run on startup if you like. And also you need to click I've read and agreed to the license agreement, privacy and user agreement. Have a read of them. And then once you're happy with that, go ahead and click on install. This is going to install GearUp Booster onto your PC or laptop. Shouldn't take that long. As you can see, it's pretty fast. And yep, it's created a desktop shortcut. And then from here, select the game to boost. So for example, I'm just going to do Counter-Strike. Then it will say login. So if you don't have an account, go ahead and click on sign up. I'm going to sign in with my Google account. So I'm just going to choose my Google account here. Click on continue. Alright, login success. You may return to the GearUp Booster client now. And once you've done that, they might give you a special offer to purchase, 59% off. That's pretty decent. You can go ahead and purchase now if you like, or just close out and just click on the home page. And that's it, guys. How to get a free trial for GearUp Booster.